Hey, hi, Angel here. I just wanted to show you my quick replacement, first time of replacing the headlight bulb on my 2005 Prius. Once you get this panel off, which my car conveniently doesn't have on it, then for the driver's side, all you do is remove this fuse cover just to give you a little more room. You're going to reach in there and you're going to find these tabs for this. Oh, wait. First, here's the critical factor. Just pull back on that wire housing. I'll show you. I'm trying not to ruin my new bulb. So this wire housing here pulls straight off that bulb. Then you unscrew this rubber gasket, pull it out, pull it with the bulb, pull the bulb off of there, and then stick the new one in. I'm about to screw it back in, plug it back in. Zip-zop, good to go. They want like $150 to do that at the dealer. And then on this other side, it's just slightly different. I'm going to pop this off, and then same thing. Screw that out, replace the bulb. Probably take me 15 minutes leisurely, even with watching videos. And the bulbs were like 25 bucks, I think. So, yep, pretty good deal. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Till next time, peace, playfulness, productivity.